Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can see someone WhatsApp status without letting them know. So you can check their status on WhatsApp and they will never know you did that. So there's a three way you can do that. So I'm going to show you the first way how to do it. Okay, if you are using an Android phone, you need to go My Files, as you can see here. Okay, from My Files you click internal storage. Okay, when you are here, there's some folders that are hiding. Okay, so how we gonna show those folders? You just click on the right corner where is those three dot R. On my phone is writing in N. You can see here. You come to setting and then you enable show hiding system files like this. Let's go back. Now we are going to look for WhatsApp. Okay, as you can see here, we are going to look for a folder. This folder is called .com. It's called com.whatsapp. We're going to open this folder. So from here, you open WhatsApp and you come to media. You come to status here on top here. As you can see here, those are my contact status. I'm gonna open this one. So this guy is one of my friend is showing a laptop as his WhatsApp status. So he will never know that I did look on his status. So this is the first method. I'm going to show you how to do it with the second method. So the second method is open your WhatsApp and you click where is 3.R on the top right corner. Go to setting. You click account. You click privacy. And it's writing in read receipt. You just disable it. When you disable it, you can see someone WhatsApp status without letting them know. Okay, so this is the second step. The third step is to go offline. You disconnect your Wi-Fi and then you can see someone status without letting them know. So those are the three ways to view someone WhatsApp status without letting them know. I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it and subscribe. Ciao.